What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I want to show you guys how to get paid to travel. Right now, you see here I'm on this app called Dash. If you'd like to download it, the link to it be in the description. I make money with this site by doing a lot of different things, but like for this video, I'm gonna show you how you getting paid to travel because I'm gonna show you what I did maybe like a month ago. I'm showing you my history. You see here my available balance $51.94. I made $76.94 with this app in total. But you see here on the November 6th, I got 2 payments. All right. So the thing is, I booked the hotel and I booked it through this app, and they gave me cash back. You see here, that's basically $44.75 I got for going to a hotel. So you think about it, like whenever you're going out of town or you're staying at a hotel, this app is going to pay you to do that. They gave me cash back for doing that. You see here down here it says hotels. I'm just gonna show you what they're offering. Like for me, I was thinking about going to North Carolina for like the Christmas break or whatever. Well, not really break because I'm not in school anymore, but like the days I have off. And you see here they're showing you different hotels in the area, and basically what their cashback would be. So I'm just going to click on search, and it's going to show me and show you how to use the app. It's going to show me the hotel, how much I have to pay, and how much cash back I'll get for doing that. So you see here, this La Quinta is $71 per night. I'll get basically $26 plus a $26 cash back. So that's basically $46 I'll get in cash back, mainly because they have little bonuses and promotions. You see here, $20 bonus cash back, and that's on pretty much all of them. It just kind of pops up randomly, but they'll give you different. They'll show you like for every hotel how much cash back you're getting and how much the hotel costs. So no longer do I have to go through the hotel directly, because booking with the hotel directly, you don't get anything back. You know what I'm saying? You just get your room and everything, and that's good. But don't you want to get paid for having to stay somewhere? So like that's basically what this app allows you to do. Any hotel, doesn't matter where you're at, doesn't matter what time it is, just put in the place you want to go, put in the dates you want. It doesn't really matter how many people, because you're still going to get the same amount of cash back, but it'll show you everything you need to know. It'll show you some other ones, and just basically pick the one that you want, pick the one that you can afford or whatever, and wait for that cash back to come in. Also, in addition to getting paid to travel, you can get paid to do things on this app, like grocery shop. You see here, if I go to Walmart, I can get 2% cash back on all my groceries. Sometimes you just look on here and it'll show you different places that you can go, different stores, and you'll get cash back for doing these things. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's online or at an actual store, you just have to link your card to this app. That's how it determines if you're getting paid or not. It's very secure. You won't have any problems with it. I've been using it for a while. Never had my account hacked or anything like that. So, I mean, don't worry about all of that. Just, link your debit card to it. And in linking your debit card to, you actually get $5 for doing that. So you're getting paid to link your debit card. And then when you book the hotel or you go out to eat or whatever it is, you get your cash back as well. So there's a lot of money into this app. So I really want to make it known to everybody, this app is legit. It's money being made. You see here, Uber Eats, what I'm saying? A lot of people like to eat and they don't like to go get it themselves. So they call Uber Eats, and you see here you can get 12%, well, up to 12% cash back for doing that. So really, really cool app. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. If you're worried about cashing out, you can cash out at a minimum of $25 on this app. And, it doesn't take long to do that. If you're actually, going to the store, you're booking hotels, you'll get that, within, one booking of a hotel, you get the easy cash out. So I'm going to cash out here. You can either donate your things to, different charities, or you can transfer it to like your bank account or PayPal. And for me, you see the options I have here: PayPal, got the bank, I got Venmo. I'm going to actually do PayPal, and the amount that I want to do is going to be 25. Well, no, actually I got $50, $51. So I'm going to do 50 right here. Just cash that. You'll withdraw $50. I'm going to click on next. It's going to tell me which account I want to do. I want to take it to my email. So right there, I'm going to transfer $50. Transferring, and it's complete just like that. It says this process can take 3 to 5 business days to transfer to your account. So, right now, let's see how long it actually takes for them to do it. It really does come faster than that. It does not take that long. So I'm going to click on OK, got it. You see now, I'm going to rate the app at a later time, but you see here that I have $50 pending in my account. $1.94 is left. So now it's basically just waiting to see how long it'll take them to pay me on going on this app, for cashing out. Like I said, it says 3 to 5 business days, but like I said, it always comes a lot quicker than that. So I'm actually going to check my email real quick, because a lot of times this app, it's like I said, in 3 to 5 business days, they say that, but it come instantly. So I'm just going to go to my email right quick, and you see here, service at PayPal, $50. Just like that, instant cash out. Like I said, you could look at the time at the start of this video and look at the time now. It's 1:17 p.m. So it did not take 3 to 5 business days. Didn't even take 3 to 5 minutes. And so now you see here, I don't even know who that is, so I got the number on video. But the thing is, it pays instantly, and you can definitely get paid using this app. Getting paid to eat, getting paid to travel. I highly recommend you sign up, get paid instantly doing it. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. Download it and link your debit card. That's the first and foremost thing you want to do, because in linking your debit card, you're going to get paid $5 for doing that. And it's very important you do that, because that's the only way they're going to be able to tell that you're actually, that you're able to get the cash back, because they have to show something that's linked to the card, linked to the account. So link your card. That way you can, get all the credit you're supposed to get, and start making money like this. $50 in my PayPal right now. I'm gonna transfer it to my bank account. So real cool app. Get started with it today. Don't slack off. Don't get lazy with it. And always remember, every penny counts.